Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing Gwsn The Park in the Night Part 2 album. And this is the front, this is the back, and this is the side. This is the CD, it's very pretty. And for the book. I must say these concept photos are very pretty and you won't regret buying this album because the songs are all very nice, and as you can see the photo book is actually very thick. Yeah, so it also comes with a lot of stuff. So first you have the Kiwi Pop flyer, and then you have this Pinky Star card, and then there is a sticker which I got in, and then it also comes with this note thingy, so I also got in for this. Oh, sorry. And it also comes with a transparent bookmark which I also got in. Sorry, this is the right way. And then there's this special event thingy, which obviously it's over. Sorry. And there is 2 photo cards, which for one of the version I got Soryong, and the other version I got So. Super pretty. And then I also got the pre-order benefit, so it comes in this envelope. So it's a photo stand, super pretty. Oh, there's a few. Oh, so this is the frame. So there is a few postcards. So there is the group postcard, and then sub-unit postcards. That's all for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.